Hello, I'm James Cassell, Cub Master, Pack 1884, in New Bern, North Carolina, Neuse Basin District, part of the East Carolina Council. In the video you're about to watch, we'll talk about the importance of hand washing, healthy and not so healthy snacks, and the difference between a fruit and a vegetable. For all you tigers out there watching, if you demonstrate to your parents the things that you see in this video and do your best, your parents can sign off on Tiger Bites requirements 1, 2, and 3, which will complete the Tiger Bites requirement. Let's get started.
Hi, I'm Daniel Cassell, Bear Scout in Pack 1884. Me and my dad are about to work in the kitchen. The most important thing is to wash your hands for at least 20 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 19, 20. And now, rinse.
Alright, now that our hands are clean, let's talk about what makes a healthy snack versus a not so healthy snack by playing Healthy or Not Healthy! Woo! Alright, first up we have yogurt. What do you think, audience? What do you think? Is it healthy or not healthy? What do you think? What do you think, Daniel?
I think it's healthy.
Alright, show us. Which one is it? Which one is it? Healthy!
It is healthy!
And to go for make it even more healthy, you can go with a simple Greek yogurt with a little bit of granola, and it'll be more healthy than the Oreo yogurt that this one likes to eat.
Next up, we have M&M's. Dad, please get the M&M's out. Okay, audience, what do you think? Healthy or not healthy? Dad, please reveal the result. The result is...
Not so healthy!
Dad, why are M&M's not so healthy?
Well, M&M's contain a lot of sugar, and though some M&M's, such as dark chocolate M&M's, have some healthy aspects, the amount of sugar in any of the M&M's puts them definitely in the not so healthy category. And although it's okay to have a little every once in a while, it should not be a normal snack. Alright, next up, on healthy or not so healthy, we have carrots. Carrot sticks with ranch dressing. So audience, what do you think? Healthy or not so healthy? Daniel, what do you think?
Not so healthy.
Not so healthy.
Because ranch is not so healthy.
But the carrots are extremely healthy, which puts them, as long as you don't use too much ranch, puts them in the healthy category.
Yes!
And added boost to healthy, you can skip the ranch and just eat the carrot sticks all by themselves. Carrots are delicious.
Yes. But that's as long as you don't use too much ranch or you don't use any ranch.
That's right. All right. And next up, we have
peanut butter.
Peanut butter?
Yes.
What do you think, Daniel? Healthy or not so healthy?
Audience, what do you think? Dad, please reveal the result. Wow, healthy won. That surprised me.
Well, peanut butter is healthy because, yes, although peanut butter does have a lot of fat in it, it is good fat that is good for your body. Peanut butter also contains protein. Protein is a very important nutrient for your body to run. Daniel, what do we have next?
Next, we have...
fries.
Yes, fries I extremely love.
Yep. And what do you think? Do you think fries are in the healthy or not so healthy category?
Audience, what do you think?
What do you think, Daniel?
I think they're healthy. Dad?
You think they're healthy?
Yes.
You want to know what they are?
Yes, Dad, please reveal the result.
And not so healthy.
That surprised me.
Well, thank you for joining us today for Healthy or Not So Healthy. Next up on our Scouting Out of the Box adventure today is going to be learning the difference between a fruit and a vegetable. We're going to do this by playing Fruit or Veg! What do you think? Woo!
Fruit or Veg!
start by defining the difference between a fruit and a vegetable. Daniel, what's the difference between a fruit and a vegetable?
A vegetable is the root, leaves, or stalks of the plant, while fruit is anything made by a plant at a flowering location.
Okay, well, let's play fruit or veg. First up, we have Brussels sprouts, everybody's favorite.
Not my favorite.
Not your favorite? I love Brussels sprouts.
I
Okay,
like those.
so what do you think, Daniel? What's your answer? Audience, what do you think? What's your answer? What do you think, Daniel? What do you think?
I think it's a vegetable.
You think it's a vegetable? And the answer is vegetable!
Veggie!
Brussels sprouts are actually the leaves of the plant that Brussels sprouts grow on.
Next up, we have apples. What's your guess, Dad?
My guess? Considering this little stem right here, I'm gonna have to go with a fruit.
Audience, what do you think? The answer is fruit.
Apples actually grow on the branches, and they grow at a flowering location. Alright, next is cucumber. And this may be an odd looking cucumber, but this did actually grow in our own garden. We picked it just the other day in our backyard.
And
I
Dad,
promise, it's a cucumber. So, what do you think? Fruit or veg, Daniel? Fruit or veg?
I think it's a veg.
You think it's a vegetable? I don't know, guys. What do you think? Fruit or veg? Fruit or veg? It's fruit.
What?
Yes. Actually grow on a vine, and they grow from the flowering point of that vine. So that would make them a fruit. Isn't that cool?
No.
No, because everybody thinks cucumbers are vegetables, but it's actually a fruit.
Next is lettuce.
Next up's lettuce. All right, Daniel, what do you think?
I'm gonna ask the audience first. Audience, what do you think? Dad, what do you think?
What do I think? Well, considering how leafy it is, and that a vegetable is the leaf of the plant, I'm gonna go with it's a vegetable. What do you say?
It is a vegetable!
Vegetable! Hey, we got one last one. We're gonna go with bell pepper. What do you think, Daniel? What do you think the bell pepper is?
Well, considering this little thing right here,
Yeah?
I'm considering it's a fruit.
You're gonna say it's a fruit?
Yeah.
Well, you know what? You're absolutely 100% right.
What?
It's a fruit, because it again grows from the flowering location of the vine.
Okay.
Isn't that super cool?
Yes.
Well, Scouts, thanks for joining us today. Remember that a vegetable is a root, stalk, or leaf of a plant, and a fruit grows from a flowering location of a plant. This is the botanical definition of a fruit and a vegetable.
Keep on scouting.
Thanks for playing healthy and not so healthy and fruit or veg. Let us know how many you got right in the comments below. Work with your parents and show your parents what you learned here, and you can complete requirements 1, 2, and 3 of the Tiger Bites Adventure. Ready? Keep on scouting!